What's going on, everyone? So as you can see, we have the new 2021/2, I guess, Bronco. It's this Wild Track Sasquatch. I'm getting used to all these names because I'm so used to Jeeps. But let's take a look at what we have here. This thing is super sick. My friend is using it as a demo to see if he wants to trade it in or trade his truck in for this. But as you can see already, it's really awesome. And we're gonna get into like really cool features that I've just seen by standing here in the parking lot right now. All right, guys, so the first thing I see that I'm like super stoked about is, notice anything there that's super interesting? The mirrors are not connected to the doors, meaning you can literally take the doors off and not have to worry about putting new mirrors on. That is super cool. I'm literally smiling. A lot of things I see also are there's accessory ready spots everywhere on this Bronco. So you take this out, you can put some pods here. This guy's made for a light bar. You just unclip it, put a light bar in there. I mean, that's super cool. I mean, I'm not gonna say anything bad about Jeep, but they have some learning to do. Other than that, look at these fender wells, super big. That's a 35 on there already. You can obviously fit a 37 as it is with a little bit of lift. If not, I mean, it's super ready. This is a twin turbo EcoBoost also. I mean, this thing is quick. It is a heavy vehicle, but it's fast. It's twin turbo. So let's get into the inside now. All right, so as you can see, we have grab handles here that are already built in. Here in the middle, every time you open the doors, you get a nice cool play screen in the middle. It just builds up, it makes the Bronco logo. Like the technology in this is just awesome. Let's pop the hood and check that out. Alrighty, so check out this engine bay, guys. This has a lot going on with it. But I mean, it's super cool. It's obviously a lot of room to play for some tuning and things like that. It's a huge engine bay compared to the Wranglers. I really like this, actually. Everything's super accessible. You can kind of see everything that's going on with it, but it is awesome. All right, guys, the LED package is really cool that I watched. So this is your daytime running light. Your turn signal is here. It's got really nice headlights. I really like the design of this. Another really cool feature I saw is on the hood here. It says max load at 150 pounds. I'm guessing that's a really cool tie-down thing. If you want to strap kayaks or anything like that. I mean, there's just so much ready. To the front bumper, I noticed that it comes with a steel bumper here, but you can take the end links off, similar to a JL Wrangler or a JK. Take this part off, so it's a really tucked up high clearance that keeps your sensors in the bumper. I really like that. It comes with tow hooks right to the frame. Nice skid plate here. Independent front suspension in the front. That's new for a lot of these things here. Usually they're solid axles, but if you want to go really big, I guess you would have to swap it. I'm not sure yet. I mean, there's not many of these on the road to see that, so I guess we'll see in a year or so. But there's a front camera there for parking and for trail riding. That's a really cool feature. I like that everything's paint matched. It's not cheap black plastic. The fenders are removable pretty easy, similar to a JL. Like I said, you can put bigger tires on it. This thing just looks awesome. And this is the full-size Bronco, guys. This is the four-door Bronco here. I don't really know the color on it, but it's similar to Hydro Blue in Jeep's colors. So yeah, let's go back into the interior. I actually have not sat in one of these yet, so this will be the first time. All right, so getting in, super comfortable. Giant display here. I love that for the family to watch television or whatever you can do there. Nice display here. RPMs, mile per hour on the side. 6 aux switches already built in up here. That's really awesome. It's got so many things just ready to go. Grab handle here. Here's your GOAT. I don't really know what that stands for other than greatest of all time, but I don't know, Jeep. Is it the greatest of all time? Anyway, 2 high, 4 low, and 4A. I'm guessing that's like 4 auto. I'm not sure. There's a lot of terrain things. Windshields or windows are right here, buttons on the side. Got a nice big center console here. Giant glove box over there. Everything is super streamlined. I like the vents tucked in here. Everything matches too. There's blue trim on every little piece, including the seats here. So blue stitching on the seats. I mean, everything is just so sick in this Bronco. I really do enjoy this car. Now, getting into taking the doors off, I'm not really sure how to do that yet, and we're not going to do it right now. But what I'm guessing is there's a electricity connector here, so I'm guessing you pop that off, and it literally says lift. They give you a handle on the bottom of the door to lift from. I mean, come on. Like, it has everything done for you. So I'm guessing you would just grab here with the handle and lift straight up and take the doors off with the mirrors still connected. Now you can see it's like a half door option here. So everything's half door. There is I guess this is like an A, what is this, a B pillar? Yeah, a B pillar. But when you take all of this off, it looks just like a half door, and you can take the top off completely. Another thing I really like about this is that there is no center bar. I'm not really sure how that affects safety. However, it is a full open sky top at the top. So I really enjoy that. I don't know if these are beadlock capable. I'm not really sure about what Ford did with these, but they are cool looking wheels from the factory. Solid steel bumper on the back. Paint matched handles, everything like that. Reverse camera, lock buttons, LED tail lights. It is literally ready to go. Everything's ready. Now this is obviously the soft top. They do have color match hard tops and things like that, but I do enjoy the soft top because you can just lay it back just like a JL, or like Josh's over there, how his is laid back. We did the same thing with the Bronco, and like his would do too. I'm pretty sure you can take this back window out just by undoing the Velcro. So that's really cool. I do like that. Pop the pins, throw it back, and you're summer ready. All right guys, so I'm gonna open the tailgate. It's got a hydro, like, I don't even know, what are these called, shocks that hold it open. It's super soft opening. It's still opening itself with a 35-inch tire on the back. Again, accessory ready. Look how big this is. You can put speakers, tailgate options, like stoves, whatever you want on this. It is ready to go. I do enjoy that. This cargo space is huge in here too. It's super streamlined. There's not all these things popping out and everything. Hooks in the back. Little storage area for a jack there. But if you look up inside of there, it's really nice. You can lay the seats down and obviously make it super clean and store some stuff in there. So that's another feature I really like about that. A nice soft close for that. And again, that's a 35-inch tire on the back of this, already from the factory. Who's done that yet? No one. All right, everyone. So, I mean, that's a quick overview of the 2021 Bronco Wild Track Sasquatch Edition. I love this color. It's super clean. And I mean, this is really cool. I'm not sure if you can put the windshield down or not. I don't really think Broncos really do that with the new ones. There's a lot going on here, but don't quote me on that. So I really don't know. But yeah, that was a quick little overview. You can check it out one more time as I walk around. And that is a really sweet vehicle straight from the factory. This was literally picked up hours ago. This is exactly how it sits on a dealer lot. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it's a first look. The next one we're gonna do is Dan's 392 Wrangler. He's getting some work done to it now, getting it lifted a little higher, I'm guessing, with some steps from Rock Slide Engineering. But he's test driving this to see if he wants to trade in some of his other vehicles for this. I think he should. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said before, like and subscribe, show some love to that. And we will be doing a lot of first ofs with this Bronco if he does keep it. Hopefully he does. Keep your fingers crossed, because this will be a lot of cool content. Thanks, guys.